Welcome to Sensory Space, online sensory activities designed to engage and inspire learners with special educational needs through sensory exploration, engagement, and cause and effect learning. Sensory Space offers a range of engaging activities that encourage attention, interaction, and exploration. Each activity is thoughtfully designed to support developmental milestones, guiding students through their learning journey at their own pace. Accessibility is at the heart of Sensory Space. Activities are compatible with touch, switch, and eye gaze devices, ensuring every learner can participate in a way that suits their needs. Teachers can personalise learning experiences by adjusting colour palettes and selecting AI-generated soundscapes, such as calming nature harmonies or magical fantasy tones. Activities can be accessed on any device, including Windows, Mac, Chromebook or iPad. Sensory Space makes learning inclusive, flexible and engaging for students, while supporting educators with easy-to-use tools. Transform your teaching and inspire progress with Sensory Space, where every child's potential shines. Sign up today to start your journey.